the Gen 2 Rebel series from Phone Rebel. It's $42.99 and it's available for all iPhone 12 models. I'm using it with my 12 Pro. Today we're going through my honest review with some comparisons from the first generation, respectfully without bias from being a fan of the creator. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Gotta say, really liking the metallic box. Like this year's Crystal series I reviewed last week, this time we have a more simple design, more congruent with the phone. You could feel the durability by how solid this case is, especially the bumper lining, which to me is its most signature feature. With its grooves and raised corners, feels similar to the strong material of the first generation, except you've got full coverage this time, still nicely between rugged and luxury. Like I choose this over any OtterBox case. More on protection and practicality after we try this on. What sets this apart from the Crystal series is its back. Made of real aramid fiber, which is strong, heat-resistant material that's tougher than carbon fiber, and has a sleek yet sporty pattern. It is MagSafe compatible, which I'll show you later. First, we're putting it on. Without any specific instructions, I assumed you just pop it in from any side, just like Apple instructs for their cases, which was really easy. Since I don't want the screen protector on my 12 Pro, I'll be demonstrating it on my 12 Pro Max. At first it seemed difficult with nothing to align it. Honestly, I didn't do so well in that area and was relieved to find that the protector was bigger than the framing anyway. So it's definitely going to be big enough to cover your screen, but it won't be perfectly aligned with the bezel. It's totally fine because to me this is a bonus feature anyway. Rubbing out the bubbles was the part that took the longest. Taking it out was pretty easy. It's a good quality fit, airtight, where you could tell it's made for protection first. Because of that, it takes a bit more to remove and might take getting used to. My trick is to press it against my body to hold it down as I peel. Apple's cases displays part of the frame of the phone, so you get to appreciate part of that design, like how some of the stainless steel shows. Those who don't like that will enjoy a more covered protection, with only a slight hint of it on the top and the bottom. Is there anyone else out there that's so used to the new iPhone designs that sometimes it looks clunky in its rectangular box shape? This to me is a nice break from it. This should have competitive protection, definitely more than Apple's cases. It survived a 10-foot drop test, as shown on Phone Rebel's Instagram. Last year the sides were exposed to enjoy the original design of the iPhone. Now it's more about protection, so all the sides are covered to be prepared for any drop. For me it's a bittersweet change, because last year I was aesthetically pleased with the front side having the sides exposed, but didn't like the look of the back, which now has a smooth, weave texture you could feel. Just like Crystal series, you get an anti-shock bumper lining, especially the thicker corners that look ready for battle. They even add to the front and back lip, raising your phone up on surfaces, or protecting it from flat drops. The back is thick enough to protect the cameras too. Like before, anywhere you'd swipe on the edge, there's a bit of an opening so you can do it smoothly. The buttons feel tactile, so it's easy to press. Very important to me when using it as a camera shutter. All these details also keep the phone from wobbling on the table. So far, this is Phone Rebel's only MagSafe case. It stays on strong. To release, I slide it out with a finger. The bumper sides are a unique material since it's smooth yet grippy, but not rubbery, so you only need a light squeeze to hold. And it slips into pockets easily. But like last year, scoops up lint towards the edge of the screen from pockets. Comfort was highly considered here, with the material in grooves, so it's pleasant to hold. I know I rest my phone on the pinky sometimes. Anyone else out there? This even has a spot for that. Because it's dark, dust can kind of show and smudged looking things keep showing up on the back. Probably from setting it down on counters, or maybe my hand lotion. It takes a few seconds to wipe it off using fabric. Facing the screen, it looks like a black case. So to me, a lot of the darker interfaces blend well with it, like dark mode. Bright interfaces make that illusion of bigger bezels. Since the entire stainless steel frame is covered, there's less visual separation, but the matte black edges help, complementing the glossy glass apparent with better lighting. Same with wallpapers. Dark wallpapers look really good. Or anything with high contrast. But I'm sure people will still not mind bright with this. In conclusion, if you want to go a tad bit rugged, this is a great everyday case, both for quality, color, and a premium feel. It's a nice break from Apple's cases. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, or if you have other third-party cases to suggest. I hope this helps. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.